Hello everyone, welcome to the third day of the SMCH quiz fest. So, Sports Kira, the sports quiz by Partho, Prithviraj, and Wazid. So, this is the answers video for the prelims of Sports Kira. So, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel. And if you are watching the premiere of this video, then answer the comment. I answer comment the answers in the premiere chat before the answer slide is up. So here's the prelims. So question number 1, Purnima, Sujata, Saroj, Devaki, Tara, Mandakini, Preeti Ben, Lakshmi, Chandrakala, Kishori, Daljit. Connect. So for this thing that all the names are women, and it was part of one campaign. So this is basically the Indian cricket team jersey on Mother's Day, which was against the New Zealand and under the Nai Soch campaign. So any answer in this line would be accepted. Moving on to question number 2. In the question number 2, we are talking about a famous sports person who was banned for using this in 2016 through the drug. Although the drug had been prescribed by the doctor in 2006 itself, so the drug in the question was Mildronate. So this drug is banned by WADA as it is thought to be performance enhancer. So what drug it is? Oh, sorry. The drug is Mildronate. So we are looking for which famous sports person. This is Maria Sharapova. Moving on to question number 3, we are looking for the blank and the team replaced. So Dash were the biggest underdogs to have ever won in the Euro Cup. Initially, they didn't even qualify for the tournament and were poised to stay home. But another team was replaced at the last moment due to certain reasons, which booked a finals place for Dash. Fill in the blanks. Which team has replaced at the 11th hour and for what reason? So, team we are talking about and what was the reason? So fill in the blank, which team and what was for what reason. So this is Denmark. Uh, so Denmark were the winners. Yugoslavia were disqualified due to disintegration and warfare. So two countries being Denmark and Yugoslavia, and Yugoslavia were disqualified due to the disintegration and warfare. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. Who on the Friday before the dreaded race, so race would be a good clue to think on that line. Clipped a curb and crashed heavily at 150 mph. Dash got out of the Williams car and went to the scene of the collision where he saw Barrichello's tongue blocked his airway, but luckily his life was saved by Dr. Watkins. By Saturday noon, 18 minutes into the qualifying session, another crash occurred, which even led to death of the German racer. After this, Watkins suggested Dash to leave racing due to the great risk involved, but he had no option but to continue racing. But unluckily, on the day of the main race, Dash was himself involved in a fatal incident in the 7th lap. Fill in the blanks with the name of very established yet unfortunate F1 racer. So we are looking for the F1 racer, unfortunate though, died involved in a fatal accident in the 7th lap. So this is basically Ayrton Senna. Moving on to next question, we want the rivalry. This shared one of the most notable rivalries in badminton in our country. One was more successful at the world stage, winning all England Open Championship, and the later one became one of the most influential, and later became one of the most influential coaches. Uh, while the other on the bragging with rights in the national competition ranking one from 1991 to 1996, he was unlucky as he often struggled with his injuries. Despite of that, he is the only male shuttler from India to play two different Olympics. So which rivalry is being talked about within the country though? So this is Pullela Gopichan, the influence coach which was in question, and Dipankar Bhattacharya, the one, the male badminton player who represented India in two different Olympics. Uh, Question number 6. So, what is being talked about? It was first used in the NatWest Trophy in June 1991 and in a match between Derbyshire and minor countryside Hertfordshire at Bishop's Stotford. So, what is being talked about in this question? So, the most memorable instance occur among two of the fiercest rivals in the sport. So, first in an international cricket, it happened for the first time in a match between New Zealand and West Indies on 2006. So, the most memorable instance occurred among two of the fiercest rivals in sport. What is being talked about? So, this is ball out, and the image is India versus Pakistan where they tied, and then tied broke with 3-0 ball out, where Sehwag, Harbhajan and Uthappa were the bowler chosen. So next question. So looking for a team, and what did they achieve recently? So six people. So in the image we had Mavi, Gill, Anto, Daljit, Scout and Viru. So they are basically Team Orange Rock, runners up in PUBG Mobile World League East. So Team Orange Rock. So moving on to question number 8. So Maroni was an American artistic gymnast. She was a member of the American women's gymnastics team dubbed the Fierce Five at the 2012 Summer Olympics. So, though her gold medal winning moment is not so famous, but her reaction when she won the silver medal was one to behold. Even Obama, when he met her at the White House, copied her expression, which is common all over social media. What is being talked about? So, funny incidents though. So, the answer is disappointed meme. Next question. So it was introduced to a quite common game only 2 decades ago in 1998. The term means free in Italian. So free in Italian is a giveaway hint. The most skilled offensive player is generally made the dash. So one peculiar thing is that Dash has to wear jersey contrasting from all other members of his or her team. So fill in the blanks. So Italian for or he is a giveaway hint. So this is libero. Moving on to question number 10. Connect. There were 5 players in this image, namely Krista Loading, Clara Hughes, Jacob Tulin, uh, Loria Williams, and Eddie Egan. Eddie Egan being the most famous one. So these are the different athletes to win medal at both Winter and Summer Olympics. Move on to question number 11. Just you have to put funda from this particular image. So basically two images are there. So you need to give me the funda. So this is Mark Hughes, and he played two official matches for two different teams on the same day. So Mark Hughes played two official matches for two different teams on the same day is what we were looking for. Moving on to question number 12, who or the jersey number. The guy took up this jersey number from the early age dating back to his time at Lenny High School. So the jersey number is what we are looking for, and the sporting giant, who is the sporting great who shares his name with that of the famous brand and also a country. So the answer is Michael Jordan and jersey number 23. Moving on to the next question. So, who name this sports person turned actor? So, who was into rugby before entering as in Bollywood? He is mostly popular for his role in children's movie based on cricket. In his latest appearance on Big Picture that was streamed on Netflix in June 2020. So this sportsman turned actor is what we are looking for, who played for Indian rugby team. So the cricket movie being Chenkuli Kimenkuli and the recent movie being Bulbul. This is Rahul Bose. Question number 14, fill in the blanks based on the hypothetical assumption. So 32 dash. So overall tally at Summer Olympics, US, Great Britain, China, South Africa, dash, Ethiopia. So hypothetical assumption is a giveaway hint. So this is if Michael Phelps were a country. Next question, uh, which fifth person will complete this list? You don't need to identify all these four. You just need to fill the list with another person. So these are Manika Batra, Binesh Fogart, Rani Rampal, and Mariappan, and these all will be awarded. These all will be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 2020. And the fifth one being Rohit Sharma. So, question 16, this is a logo of which Indian organization, and how is it related to sports in India? So this is Coal India, and this is they are the sponsor of the Hockey India League. Moving on to question number 17. So this is a meme. You just have to fill up. So and give a funda. So earn money from dash. Use the money to sponsor dash. So sports, think in the sports context. First they earn from the source, then sponsoring the source again. So this is Dream 11 sponsoring IPL. So they first earn money from IPL, and then again they are sponsoring IPL this year. Move on to question number 18, which technology? This was a system developed by Hawkins originally for the purpose of cricket, but as time passes, this technique is increasingly being used in the other sports like badminton, tennis, rugby to increase the efficiency of the umpire's call. So, which technology? So, this system was developed by Hawkins. So in the last line you can see which technology is being talked about that share its name with a superhero. So that would be a giveaway hint, as well as the system was developed by Hawkins would be a giveaway hint. So this is Hawkeye. Moving on to the penultimate question. If she is the latest, who was the first? So giving few seconds. So she is Lovelina Borgohain. Now take a guess who can be the first. So she got the Arjuna Award for Assam this year. So the first person would be Bhogeshwar Borua, who won Arjuna Award for Assam in 1966. Moving on to question number 20, the last one, final one. While bouncers are very common now, in 1893 it would have been unthinkable for a bowler to use those tactics as it was used in this historic match. The umpire would have surely objected. Also, matches with only one innings a side are relatively recent occurrence. In the late 1890s, even friendly matches lasting only 1 to 2 days had two innings each. So it is very unlikely that the match would last only one innings. Also, even if the match lasted one innings each, as long as the chasing team did not lose all their wickets, if they had not scored as much as the team batting first, they wouldn't lose the match, simply draw it. Which peculiar match in context of the 1890s cricket is being talked about? So this is the last question. Before moving on to the answer, thank you for watching the full video, and stay connected for the upcoming videos from the fest. Do subscribe the channel, like the video, share with your friends, and stay tuned for the finals. So the answer for this question is the iconic match for of Lagan. Thank you.